there were a lot, and we were kids, and all, with all the shortages after the war. Oh my God! I had one dress, summertime. I had one cotton dress, which I washed and starched and pressed, and was wearing until I had to wash it again. And one pair of shoes made of clothes, and in order to clean them up because they were white, they were getting dirty. So we made a paste out of tooth powder, зубной порошок, powder. We clean the teeth, brush the teeth. So we make a paste that would cover this shoes, and then it would dry out, and then when you walk, you leave all kind of, behind you, all kind of, you can see. So anyway, and there was shortages of food. There were lines for everything and anything, and it continued on, even years past the war, after the war ended. There was unbelievable, all the time there was something was missing. There was, all of a sudden, there was no towels in the store. All of a sudden, there was no this, no that. The people who went to Moscow, my husband and his colleagues, they went to Moscow for business trips. They used to bring children's clothes, Once my father went to Moscow. So every woman whom he knew, she asked him to bring him shoes, because there was no shoes in Odessa. And shoes you have to try. You have to try before buying. So my poor father, and he was buying something else for my mother, for myself. And when he came back, standing in lines and having all these crowds, so he came back and there was no buttons on his coat. He lost all his buttons in those fights, in those wars at the stores. But he made out of brown paper, craft paper. We even called it craft paper, brown paper. He made a box, a big box, like half the size of this carpet, and everybody got some shoes. And I got 2 pairs of shoes, and I remember they were so beautiful. My goodness, one was so elegant and so beautiful. And I stuck my foot in it, and they were too small. But no matter, they were small. My toes were like this. So I had a date with the young man, and we went from my house to the opera theater walking, and I was wearing these shoes. I was dying of pain, but I had and I kept those shoes for a long time. I didn't want to part with them.